Welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. Today I would like sharing with you the trending hair wax stick recipe. In this video I will tell you about hair wax stick uses, recipe, DIY instructions, and at the end of the video I would like to ask you a question. Hair wax stick uses: holding frizzy hair, holding your hairstyle for a longer time of period, and hair moisturization. Hair stick active ingredients benefits for hair. Shea butter. It works to moisturize and nourish the hair, reduce frizz, prevent tangling, and give the hair a shiny and healthier appearance. Beeswax. It protects the hair from environmental factors and helps maintain its softness, moisture, and shine. Avocado oil. It moisturizes the hair, detangles it, nourishes and strengthens the hair, and protects it from damage. Castor oil. It moisturizes the hair, detangles it, nourishes the hair, and protects it from damage. It also thickens and lengthens the hair, giving it a healthy appearance. Recipe in parentage: 10% beeswax, 40% avocado oil, 20% castor oil, 30% refined shea butter. Recipe in grams: 10 grams of beeswax, 40 grams of avocado oil, 20 grams of castor oil, 30 grams of refined shea butter. Instructions: washing, drying, and sterilizing the used pools, packaging containers, and the manufacturing surface. Wearing gloves, a mask, and hair cover. Weighing the active ingredients. In a clean and sterilized double boiler, place beeswax, avocado oil, and castor oil. Cover the double boiler with foil. Place the double boiler over a water bath until the beeswax melts. Remove the double boiler from the water bath. Add shea butter and stir well until it melts due to the heat of the oils. Pour the hair wax into the sticks containers and set them aside to solidify. Don't forget to add your custom sticker. Episode question: can you enumerate the hair wax stick active ingredients? If you liked the video and want to learn about handmade skincare, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.